Bola Ahmed Tinubu has ordered security operatives to stop the rising violent attack in some parts of the country, especially in Borno, Plateau, and Benue states. Tinubu issued the directive during a meeting with security chiefs at the State House on Wednesday. The meeting was attended by Nuhu Ribadu, the National Security Advisor (NSA), Mohammed, Director General of the National Intelligence Agency (NIA), Chief of Defense Intelligence Oluwatosin Ajayi, Director General (DG) of the Department of State Services (DSS), and Femi Gbajabiamila, Chief of Staff (COS) to the President. Speaking with journalists after the meeting, Ribadu said Tinubu declared that enough is enough on the resurgence of violence in some part of the country. The NSA said the President directed security chiefs to work with the political authorities in the state and at the grassroots levels to find a lasting solution to the insecurity. It said the security chiefs had acted on Tinubu's previous instructions by meeting with political leaders in the affected communities and states. The NSA said the meeting offered the security chiefs the opportunity to fully brief the President about the current security situation of the country. On the resurgence of violence attacks in Borno, Ribadu said the terrorists were planting explosives during the period of relative peace in the state. The NSA said the security situation in the country is not yet at 100%, while noting that there is significant improvement.
Yes, it was graciously Mr. President gave us a chance to come and brief him, and it lasted very long. We gave him an update of what has been the case and what is going on, and even when he was out there and before coming back, was constantly in touch. He was giving directives, he was following developments, and we in charge of the security got the opportunity today to come and brief him properly for hours, and it was very, very detailed, and it was exhaustive. It was complete and A to Z what has been the case and what's been happening today. And we listened and we took instructions from him. We got new directives. The fact is, Mr. President is insisting and working so hard to ensure that we have peace, security, and stability in our country. We gave him what is going on, and we also assured him that work is ongoing and continuous. We also carried out his instructions. We went around. The chiefs were all out where we had these sparks and incidents of insecurity. Plateau State, Benue State, even Borno, these particular three states. And we gave him a feedback because he directed us to go meet with the political authorities there.
Since the beginning of the month, many have been killed in some communities in Plateau State. Benue State has also recorded violent attacks as over 50 people were killed in Ukom and Logo local government areas on April 18, 2025. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Do well to drop your opinion in the comment box section below. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.